I'm Ayushi Vashne from IntelliRx Solution. In the previous sessions, we have learned to implement a lot of controls in Windows Store applications. In this session, we'll see that how to add the toggle switch in our Windows Store application, which will be using in many Windows Store applications. So toggle switch is a control, two-state control that toggles between the two states, that is on or off. Firstly, if you click on this button, then the status will be off. And again, if you will click on this button, then the status becomes off. So this is what a toggle button. So let's see how to implement this. So we'll go to the toolbox, and from here we'll add a simple toggle switch control to our screen wherever we want to add. And then suppose the if the button is clicked, I want the status, some status, like if the button is on, then I want the button is on status, like. So I'll add one more tool for getting the text, that is text block. You can design your UI accordingly. Then I'll change the content of this toggle button, toggle switch. Here this is the toggle switch. Let's say header will be, let's say I'm making a functionality for Wi-Fi, and then here we write X such that name, we'll name, let's say toggle. Then we'll name the text block text. After that, we'll create the event for this, because we are clicking on this and we want something to happen. So for that we have to create the event for this toggle switch. So the event which we will be using is toggled. So we'll write here toggled, and we'll create a new event, and we'll go then definition. So the function is generated in a new window. In this window, we'll write the code for that action which we want to perform. So we want that if we click on the button, I want the status like Wi-Fi is on. So I'll write here if this dot the name of our toggle switch, that is toggle dot, if it is on, equals to true, then we want the text block will contain text dot text will be stored, let's say Wi-Fi is on. And if it is not true, then else, then the text block store text equals to Wi-Fi is off, semicolon, at the both of the end of the line. Let's save this. The errors are gone. So if we'll run this application, simply Wi-Fi, okay, the text is, we have written the wrong, let's make it correct. Here this is the small t, and let's save it. And now if we'll run it, Wi-Fi control will be appearing on our screen, and if we click on this, the same action which we have written the code will be performed. So here the Wi-Fi, we have created the functionality for Wi-Fi, we have designed the UI for that. So this is the Wi-Fi toggle switch which we have added the content, and this is the you can also hide this text block. So if I'll click on this, the text block content changes, Wi-Fi is on. If we again click on that, then the Wi-Fi text block container again changes. That is Wi-Fi is off. So this is how you can add the toggle switch in your Windows Store application. Guys, I hope you like this part of coding. For more updates, stay tuned to Intelligent.in. Thank you.